access Hemoglobin View, press on the blood droplet on the bottom toolbar. This is going to load 4 different views. We're going to start on our top left. This is our oxygen saturation. You'll notice that each image has a type on the top left. Oxygen saturation image, which is the same as what you were just looking at on the main screen. To the right, we have our deoxyhemoglobin image. Below that, we have an oxygenated hemoglobin image. And to the left, we have a total hemoglobin image. These are what we use to calculate oxygen saturation. We take oxyhemoglobin and divide it by total to get our oxygen saturation percentage. Each of these images should be interpreted using the scale or the bar at the top. Blue is low, red is high. So let's take, for example, this oxyhemoglobin image. You can see that I have placed a tourniquet on this person's finger, so I have pushed some of the blood out of there and I have left it on so that it deoxygenates. You will notice that her finger has significantly less oxyhemoglobin than a surrounding tissue. I can also place markers in this view. You will notice that even though I tapped on one image, the marker ended up on all 4 because they are all co-registered or calculated at the same time. I'm also going to place a marker on a comparable piece of tissue. When using Hemoglobin View, we want to make sure that you're always comparing like tissue to like tissue. So a comparison of her finger to her other finger is very valid. Comparing a finger to a different piece of anatomy is less ideal of a comparison. Clearly, you can see also in the total view that we have pushed that blood out and that we have less oxygenation in that finger. To exit out of Hemoglobin View, you can press this back button to bring you back to the main screen.